What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Ben Kabi, this Defi bully. I just wanted to show you guys me playing this new Bandit Project dice roll game. I just bet on even. I bet about 5 Bandit tokens. So let's see how this goes. I was gonna do it without the camera, but I said, you know what? Let me just catch a video of this. Now this is a randomized decision. It's done by Chain Link, I believe, or I can't really remember. If you guys know the exact name, put it down below. But it says it right before you accept the bet. So let's see. Oh snap! I just won 10 Bandit tokens. Yo, this shit would have me over here gambling all day. I just bet 5 and won 10. Wow. Yep, and it instantly came to my wallet. I had 30 Bandit tokens, and now I have 35. Woo! I bet 5 and won. Wait. Oh, I didn't win 10. Okay. So it's included in my bet. So I just won 5 more on top of mine. Okay. You know what that means, guys? It's about time for a suck.
Come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency. Come and see. DeFi bully.
I'm gonna cut that one short. Yo, this is crazy, people. Hold on. Let me get off of this. This is crazy. It got me feeling like gambling again. You know what? I'm gonna do it one more time so you guys can see. I'm gonna go a little bit higher this time. I'm gonna bet 10. Yikes. I've been feeling good with it even. Let's go even again. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm out of gas. Hold on, let me put some gas in this and hit y'all right back. All right, I'm stocked up with some gas. So let's try this bet for 10. If I lose, I'm not playing no more for today, okay? So let's go ahead. This is what happens. You once you put the amount you're willing to bet, you press roll. It's gonna ask you even or odd, but I believe it asks you again as it goes through. So let's see. This is real time. As you can see, 10 of my Bandit tokens has disappeared into the bet. And I believe I already picked even. So yeah, you do have to pick even before. Awaiting results from Chainlink. Okay, so it is Chainlink, VRF, whatever that means. That's doing the randomization of these dice rolls. Okay. Let's see. All right, now it's time for me to roll again. Pray for me, people. Pray for me, people. No! I lost. Oh my god. Yo. Oh my gosh. This gambling shit is crazy. What should I do? What do you guys say, people? Go for another one? Should I go for another one? Let me go for another 5. Let's see if I can get back to where I was regular. You know what? I'm not gonna bet no more right now. I'm gonna put this in an NFT so I can earn a 1% daily off of it. I just wanted to show you guys a dice game. I'm probably gonna come back and play this a little bit some more. As I get more acquainted with this. It does seem very interesting. Different. There's a jackpot at 3. You can win 32 Bandit token as a jackpot winning, which is like an extra $100 and something BUSD. So that's actually pretty good. I'm liking this. I won one, I lost one. I can't complain too much, but I'm gonna play my cards right. I know some gamble heads is gonna be on here rolling dice all day. Right now the price of a Bandit token is $3.62. Okay, and USD. Okay, so I mean it's a good cool game. You just go here and press dice roll and it's right there for you guys. If you guys trying to start with Bandit token and start earning 1% a day, the links will be down below. Join my team, Bullpen Millionaires. We out here. The Bullpen Millionaires is here. Okay, so what I realize is I can't maybe I'm doing something wrong. I can't really compound my bandits into, my loose bandits into a existing NFT, but I believe I can make a new NFT, which is what I already have 3. Okay, I'll just go ahead and make a new NFT anyway. Right now, the minimum is 14 bandit tokens. That's until the holders reach a threshold of 500. I believe right now the holders are at 455. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and make another NFT right now. Approve that. That's a good little implementation they got right there with a dice roll. Like I said, when I have some more loose tokens, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I should have pressed odd. I should have did odd. See, that's that gambling stuff. That's that gambling. I feel bad for y'all Las Vegas Warriors that's gonna come across this game. Y'all gonna love it. We're gonna make a lot of money. Might lose some, might win, might come back up. At the end of the day, you already know how that go. Okay, so I compounded my 25. Oh, well, I added my 25 bandit tokens to make me an NFT. I just added that. Did I do that already? Do I have to approve again? Did I approve it already? Connect back this wallet. Wait, I didn't approve it? I realize when I'm talking and doing this stuff, I'm like not paying attention as much. So I'm gonna try to see if I can stay a little bit more focused. Oh, there go my NFT right there. He looks cool. That's my new NFT right there, people. Okay. I'm going to be earning 1% a day on all of these combined. And right now, that would be about $3.34 a day on his current price. So I'm almost at 1 bandit token a day. Compound that a couple times, I'll definitely be at 1 bandit token a day. Let's hope for appreciation, people. Right now, if you take a look at the chart, the bandit token has been pretty much finding its floor, as it had a slight decrease in the last few days. Okay, and let's see it get back up to that $6 mark where it was at a little earlier this month. Okay, which I do believe is gonna reach back to that. Okay, and something else I didn't point out before that I do want you guys to take notice of. Yeah, one thing I didn't point out before, if you guys don't necessarily want to buy an NFT and have those tokens tied in, because you know when you buy the NFT, you can't withdraw the money from the NFT. You only can withdraw the rewards that it pays out, which is 1.1% all the way to 2%, depending on how many tokens you actually use to make that NFT. All right. So what I wanted to point out is another option that I've been noticing, or that I've seen, and shout out Mr. Aloha in the group. He always on top of these things. If you go right here to the staker, the Equinox staker, they actually have single staking options available. All right. I don't know how I missed this before, but one that they have right here is the bandit token staking. So you actually buy the Equinox token and you can earn 1 point. Right now is I believe is a little. It says 1% daily. I've seen it as high as 2.4%. So right now, if you guys take a look at it, the Equinox coin, I have it in here, right here in the middle, is actually at 36 cents, and it went to a high of, I've seen it around 50 cents. This is earlier, this is like last week. So right now it's pretty low, which is a good buy-in spot. So you could benefit from the appreciation of the Equinox token itself, as well as the growth of the bandit token. Okay, as well as the growth of the bandit token, which you will be earning right now. If you do the staking, you'll be earning 1% a day in bandit token, and also benefiting from the appreciation of the Equinox coin. I was gonna do this, but I decided to do the dice roll. It just seemed more tempting to me, and I just decided to make another NFT. Shout out to the team behind this. Shout out Hustle Man Matt, doing your thing, my boy. I'm liking this platform. Right now is a good buy-in price. Band it to the moon, people. Band it to the moon. All right, shout out to everybody. Like I said, if you want to join my team, just use my boss address. It will be in the link down below. And yeah, let's see those NFTs. Let's see those NFTs you guys got. And this is a promising project. And you guys know right now is the opportunity to take advantage of one of the biggest transfers of wealth of our generation, okay? So getting these things early when everything turns back to the bull market, you'll find out why they call me DeFi bully. You heard me? But yeah, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay safe. I'm not a financial advisor. These aren't financial advice. It's just things that I'm doing. You guys can follow along if you want. And yeah, you know the vibes.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.